What's up, everybody? It's Matt at American Mustangs, and we have another 68 Shelby here. Beautiful Highland green, factory Highland green, factory 4-speed, factory air-conditioned car, which is a rare option. Factory saddle interior. This car's got 39,000 original miles. There's your door tag. Original interior. You got all original seat belts. Fold down rear. Nothing's ever been modified. No speakers. Got your factory roll bar with your original shoulder harnesses. All the seat belts have the original tags. This is a factory tilt steering. Steering wheel is in great shape. 39,964 original miles, 140 mile speedometer, 8K tach with the 6K red line. Your factory AC controls, AC panels, original radio. Like I said, the interior in this car is in excellent condition. You can see the dash pads, mint. 4-speed. Also got your factory seat belts here. Consoles in excellent condition. The pad here, it's got the nice embossed, embroidered logo there. Got your Shelby recommended tire pressure decal in it. All the AC vents are in great shape. Beautiful door panels. Headliner doesn't have any mice holes. Beautiful car. Let's grab these keys here. This car's never been fully restored. It's had one respray. Great gaps. Let's get this trunk popped open. Nice original spot welds. See that date code down in there, always a great sign. Factory seam sealer. Full size spare. Got original sound deadener on the quarter panels. All your original seam sealer that's painted green. That's exactly how it was done at the factory. Beautiful trunk floors. Have pictures of the passenger side trunk floor. Got your original dynamite sticks for the sequentials. Here's the original build sheet. You see the VIN. Goes through all the options, the way this car was built. Got some original like a inspection, a few other things dated 95. That one's dated 75. Has not really been drove much. In 95, the car had 39,856 miles on it, so it has not been on the road much since. Actually, the last inspection sticker is 1996. Here's your Marty. All the options, you can see the tilt-away AC, 4-speed, 389 gear. Super cool car. Highland green. Got your original decals here. Trunk shuts great. Body is super nice and straight. Original door tag. There's your VIN tag. Original dash tag. Still has the blackout treatment on the rear of the hood. It's got the Lucas lights. As you can see there, it says England. That's correct. Let's pop this hood. Sorry about that. All right, there's your engine compartment. Original radiator. Here's your AC. Pretty rare part. Looks like original Shelby tag for sure. What I was about to say is there's a couple service parts. This pulley has a C9 sticker on it, so it was a Ford C9 service part. You can see that. A couple hoses there. Here's your original buck tag. Beautiful spot welds here. There's one of the original Paint OK inspection stamps. There is another. It's got the big letter S2MS, aluminum intake. Like I said, it's the original motor. The VIN is on the back. Just a nice, really pure Shelby. Correct exhaust manifolds, correct valve covers, power steering, power brakes. Let's fire it up. Very responsive. Now this car, in my opinion, you know, it's gonna win shows. It's a beautiful car. I'm not saying it's the Concours perfect car by any means. I mean, but it's a really nice driver. Sounds great. Factory exhaust, so it's not loud, but it's got a nice rumble to it. Factory exhaust tips. This car is all original floor pans, all original frame rails, all original metal from what I can see. It's never been monkeyed with, tampered with. sounds great. No ticking, no crazy noises. Yep, so there it is. 68 GT350, factory 4-speed, factory AC, saddle interior, tilt-away steering. Beautiful car. Let's take it for a drive. All right, everybody, we're here in the Highland Green GT350, factory 4-speed air. We're going to take it for an in-car drive. Car fires right up. Nice and smooth. First and second shift was really nice. Tack working. There's third gear. It's got plenty of power in third. Yeah, this car is the ultimate cruiser. You get that manual feel, plenty of power. Hit fourth. There's fourth gear. Car's power steering, power brakes. Feels great. You can effortlessly steer this car with one hand, which is needed for the manual. Downshift to third. Yeah, this little 302 is plenty of power. Third gear feels pretty endless. Alright, downshift to second. Downshift to first. Hit this blinker. Car comes to a nice idle. Feels great. Going up a pretty steep hill right now. Temperature staying nice, right where you want it. It's about 70 degrees out here today. The car handles really well. It doesn't want to go all over the road. Steering's nice and tight. this car. The underside, it's all original metal, original floors, original frame rails. Really pure car. It's had, like I said earlier, it's had one repaint. Downshift to third, downshift to second. Yeah, the clutch feels great. Let's go to first. Wind out first a little bit. Brakes work great. Got some people turning in front of us. Left blinker, it's working. Downshift second, downshift first. Yeah, this car just comes to a nice idle. Temperature stayed great. All right, so this car is for sale. Call 304-731-6497 if you're interested.